The rule of real estate is to get your money's worth. When you're looking at finding a place, you will need to make sure that this rule applies immediately. One way to ensure that you are receiving more for your money is by discovering and utilizing the right home inspector. This will make it possible for you to identify a property that is worth the needed upkeep. The job of an inspector is to find everything that might turn into a bigger problem in the house before you move into the house. This will begin by inspecting the electricity, water supply, plumbing, heat, and furnace supplies, as well as the general construction of the house. They will spend a part of their day doing the inspection so as to make sure that everything is constructed up to standards and that it won't cause complications before or after you move in. With the inspection done, you will have the ability to ask for repairs if needed, or money back for the deal if there is something that the inspector indicates is massively wrong with the house. Several prospective buyers have saved thousands of dollars by getting an inspector to examine the condition of the prospective property, after which the house examination revealed the degree to which items needed to be changed or repaired. Because of this, the importance of the home inspection process, you will want to make sure that the right inspector is conducting your inspection. Most likely, your real estate agent will have a particular inspector that they tend to deal with. However, you have the option of finding one on your own and having them inspect the house as a contract worker. You will want to make sure that they will do a thorough job and that they have your greatest interest in mind. This will help you to walk into your home with no surprises and have full knowledge of those things that will need possible replacement before or after you move in. Teaming up with an inspector is an essential part of buying a home. They will help you to define the quality of the home and determine if the home inspection can help you to get the best deal on your purchase. Before you execute the final papers, you will need to make certain that the inspector you have worked with has checked out everything. This will help you to begin in earnest the process of making your house into a home.